I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the LSENLTY brand, their plug-in wall carbon monoxide detector with temperature and humidity conditions, all three displayed on this really cool 2.1-inch HD screen. Has carbon monoxide visual and audible alarms and a test function. This product has a 1-year warranty, gets great customer ratings. So this will work with any 110, 120 volt to 220 volt outlet. Simply plugs right in like I'm demonstrating right here. And for travel, this is excellent. You go to a hotel, you have to worry about whether they've changed the batteries. So it's very simple to use. I just unplugged it and you plug it back in just like that. And the unit will boot up on that display and start displaying pretty much instantaneously the temperature. You can see right there. In Fahrenheit, you can also change it to centigrade, and the percent of humidity and carbon monoxide in parts per million. It'll start to alarm you when it gets over 50 parts per million to warn you. And it has a nice simple instruction booklet, and they also tell you how to test if you want to, using something that generates carbon monoxide like a cigarette or something like that. But it's been tested and calibrated, so I trust the unit, and I'm not going to worry about testing it. So it's compatible with any outlet, 120 volts to 220 volts. Fits all US standard AC outlets in bedrooms, RVs, kitchens, living rooms, basement, and hotel rooms. So you go to a hotel, you're a little worried about carbon monoxide, bring this along with you, the small unit with this cool display, and you get the benefit of temperature, humidity, and alerts on there. And this 2.1-inch display is also really clear and easy to see. You can also adjust the brightness with this H button right here. You can actually turn it off. Now when you turn off that display, it's still detecting, it will still alarm you if it gets any kind of detection of carbon monoxide. Hit it again, it goes really dim. If you're worried about the lights, you're sleeping, and hit it again and it goes normal brightness on there. You'd also hit this button right here, the O button, and it will do a self-test. And what it did is it tested the detector on there, allowing you to know that it is working. And you can turn the alarm on and off right here with that button. You see that display goes to the little X right there, then it comes back. I recommend you leave the alarm on because you want to be alerted. This actually will work from 0 to 999 parts per million of carbon monoxide, and it actually calibrates every 2 seconds. And the accuracy is plus or minus 5 parts per million, which is excellent. And the thermometer goes from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 with an accuracy of plus or minus 5%, that temperature right there. And the hygrometer has a range of 0 to 95% relative humidity and accuracy of plus or minus 5%, which is really, really accurate. So what you're getting here is a very accurate high-tech display, a small plug-in device that will alert you anything over 50 parts per million of carbon monoxide, tell you the temperature and tell you the humidity, and allow you to bring it anywhere with you so that you feel peace of mind in a hotel or in your house. So I'm impressed with this product. I love the form factor of it, how small it is and how accurate the unit is, and I love that HD display on there. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.